fatty muscle. Myo, muscle. Stia, fat. Osis, condition of. Myosteatosis, condition of fatty muscle. What is fatty muscle? Well, it's actually a symptom of another problem called insulin resistance. You see, insulin, when it's elevated, it causes fat cells to grow. And that energy that is available that we are consuming in the form of carbohydrates, or even excess protein for that matter, that energy is being pushed into cells, in this case, fat cells. When these fat cells grow, they don't want to grow past a certain limit, and they kind of put the brakes on things. And they tell insulin, hey, we're not accepting anymore. That is called insulin resistance. The cell's becoming resistant to insulin's signal. But see, sometimes insulin just doesn't listen. And so it continues to try to push energy into the fat cell. Fat cells usually fall first, okay? And what I mean by that is the cell's going to basically start giving up, and it's not going to hold very much more. In fact, it starts to leak its inner contents. These are fatty acids. Fatty acids leak out of the fat cells because they can't take any more. They're full. And where do those fatty acids go? Usually to a place where they're not supposed to be. In places like the liver, or the pancreas, or your tongue, fatty tongue, or your heart, or in this case, your muscle. It's going to a place, these fatty acids that have leaked out of a large fat cell that got too big for its britches, goes to a muscle, and that is myosteatosis, a condition of fatty muscle, a condition of Wagyu beef. This is not healthy. When you get fat depositing in places where it's not supposed to be, this is metabolic dysfunction. You are unhealthy. You guys have a great day. See ya.